Okay, hi everybody. All right, so I just wanted to make a very, very quick tutorial video right now on the couple things to do before you call customer service, okay? Now, when you got your stick, I know you do have your card in there, which gives you the 800 number to call for customer service at any time. And, we do want to hear from you if you're having a problem. Please do not hesitate to call. But there are a couple things that we just want you to do before calling, because these are things that we're going to have you do. If you do call and there is a problem, we're going to have you actually go through these couple of steps first anyway. So you could save yourself some time just by doing them. And then if they don't work, of course, you're going to give us a call and we'll happily help you, walk you through any other problems, or we'll do what we have to do for you with no problem at all, okay? But these are the three things we're going to ask you to do prior to calling customer service, okay? The first thing, there's another video that you may have seen already, or that is in the tutorial section here. It's called Clearing the Cache, the Cody Cache, okay? That we're going to ask you to do that first. So if you don't know how to do that yet, just refer to that video. You can see how to do that there. Doing that a lot of times will solve a lot of issues, because that cache, as we spoke about in the other video, is the memory that Cody uses to play everything. So if that's full, then you're going to have problems playing movies and everything. It's going to all be a problem, okay? So it's important to clear that. So that's the first step. If you've done that and you're still having an issue, Cody and the Fire Stick and Station X is like any other electronic, any other device. Sometimes it just needs to be fully reset to work correctly. Okay, sometimes things happen and the system needs to be shut down and reset for it to function correctly. So what you would do in that case, there's two things you can do. You can go into the get out of Cody and out of Station X, go into the Fire Stick settings again, go to device, and then go to restart. You could do it that way. That will restart the Fire Stick. If you don't want to do that, you can simply go over to the Fire Stick itself, pull the plug out of the wall to the Fire Stick, and plug it back in, and that will do a full restart on the Fire Stick, and it'll restart everything. It'll restart the Fire Stick, it'll restart the Station X software, it'll restart Cody, it'll restart everything, and you will have a you'll have a fresh restarted system, and everything should start working properly again. Okay, 9 times out of 10, that's going to be the issue, all right? If you are having a problem beyond that, if that does not solve the problem, the next thing we're going to ask you to do, I'm going to show you here, what you're going to do at that point is you're going to go over to change option, okay? Now, we've talked about change option before. Change option is going to bring up all the builds here, and this is what you would normally use to switch over from one option to the other, okay? What you can use this for as well is basically reinstalling the Station X software, okay? Because what's happening is that all of these options, all of these builds and options are up on our cloud server, okay? And when you download one, what you're really doing is you are re-downloading the software from the server, and it's all being re-downloaded fresh. So you could think of it almost as if your laptop is having a big problem and you call Windows and they tell you have to reinstall Windows on the computer. Then that's exactly what you're doing here, except that we make it a lot easier than what you do with them, because you could do it right from this menu and right from the server, okay? So once you come into here, right now I'm on the advanced option. So if I was having a problem with the advanced option, I would click on advanced option again, and it would ask me this. I would say yes. And now it's going to go ahead and it's going to re-download the advanced option onto the system, okay? So what that would essentially do was it will wipe out the option that's here, that's on the stick already. And once it's all done, and that way you would have a completely fresh install of this advanced option the way it should be. So if any bugs developed or anything went wrong, everything will be replaced with a whole new fresh install, okay? If you do that and there is still a problem and there's still an issue, then you need to give us a call right away, okay? All right, let's move on, and thanks very much.